My name is Tu. I will introduce you to my project called Tamagotchi Pet Game. So this game has 8 classes, an abstract parent class named Pet that has 5 child classes: dog, cat, turtle, hermit crab, and crested gecko. Each child class of pet will have 3 common functions that share by all pet child class, 3 unique functions derived from virtual functions, one function in one attribute that belong to only that class. The other 2 classes are clock and wallet, which use to keep track of time and money. One of the important functions of this game is the save and load data functions. The save function is run by using pointer to access the pet information and then write the information in a specific order to a text file. Then when the user load the data, a file stream will be used to read the information in the specified order and assign them in a constructor to recreate a new pet. Um, so for the game, firstly, the user will ask for 3 options: new game, continue, or access. If the user chooses new game, then the user will go to a pet store and buy a pet. Each pet will have its own price. However, the more expensive the pet is, the more difficult the game seems. Their cost and the money for their food will be higher than other pets. This feature is replaced of instead how fast the pet get hungry or bored. Then from this part, the user will be prompted a menu to select an interaction function. If the user chooses to continue, then the user will immediately prompt a menu and continue with the saved data. Choosing access will terminate the game. The game is um, the game is very simple to play. So each pet will have 5 attributes that can have their level ranges from 1 to 5, 1 being bad and 5 being good. Each interaction function is called when each interaction function is called, then the current hour will increment by 1. The current hour then being checked by the auto check function in the pet class to see if the current hour modulus 3 has remainder of 1, then its full level will decrease by 1. When the current hour mod 3 has remainder of 2, then the mood level decreases by 1, and if it has a remainder of 2, then its health level decreases by 1. The pet's learning status and the special power, however, will never decrease. If the user is able to get 10-hour passes with all the pets level and except for the learning status and the special power above 0, as well as their money above 0, user will win the game. Otherwise, if the user ran out of money or the full mood or the health status hits 0, then the user will lose and the game will automatically exit.